You got dirt and grime on your RV? Super Clean. You like aerosol cleaners? Super Clean's got it.
Maggie, got some food. Got your food? Go see your food? Go get your food.
Did a bird poop on your grill? Super Clean. If you're looking for a super good cleaner, all-purpose, do all kinds of stuff from your RV to your grill to whatever, Super Clean. That's what we're talking about right here, Super Clean. Comes in a spray bottle here. You can actually buy, I know at Walmart sells gallon refillable ones, so you can refill this. Also, they got aerosol, and check out superclean.com for other cool products. And since we're talking about Super Clean, I'm going to give away some Super Clean. We're going to give away a bottle of each, the aerosol and then the traditional squirt bottle right there. So all you got to do to win some Super Clean is drop a comment, and in the comment include the words Super Clean. Also like the video, share the video too, will help. If you haven't subscribed to the video. So I'm going to pick a winner from the comments, and I'm going to send you guys some Super Clean. Now this contest is only good for the lower 48 states, so Hawaii, Alaska, you're not included, sorry. But everybody else is. So be sure to drop a comment in there and mention the word Super Clean, and you can win some Super Clean, and we'll send it out to you. All right, this is the end of the video. I got some more cleaning to do with my Super Clean, but yeah, be sure to check out superclean.com. Check out all their products. Walmart, I know, carries some products. You can check out there. I've seen some stuff at Menards, so depending on which storage you got, you can find out where it's available near you, pick some up. Works great. It's great to have on hand. But that is it for this video. I'm out.